CUPID CRAFT offers custom designs for prints, quotes, and more, empowering your creative journey. The world needs your unique touch. Whether for home decor, Valentine's gifts, or a home-based business, the tools are now accessible. Design software acts as a bridge, transforming your creative desires into tangible creations. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start creating with CUPID CRAFT SVG Bundle, explore fonts, and let your imagination guide you. Welcome to the creative playground. Ever admired intricate designs and thought you couldn't achieve them? Get ready to transform your creative life. This is a greatest hits tour to guide you from beginner to crafting pro with enjoyment. Digital crafting gives your imagination the freedom to soar, making personal gifts or business ventures achievable with ease. We all appreciate powerful words. In design, how those words look is as crucial as their meaning.